Okay, class 12, exercise 3.2, a square minus 5a plus 6i is to be found if a is given. Means a square minus 5a plus 6i. I means identity matrix because this is the matrix of order 3 cross 3. So we will take the I is same order 3 cross 3. So first of all we will do a square. A square means a into a. And what is a? We have to multiply these things. 201. 213 1 minus 10 this is a, and next a also we will write 201 213 minus 1 10 we will write, and after that we will multiply these things. I already talked to you, and this is 3 cross 3 matrix, and this is also 3 cross 3 matrix. If the number of column of first matrix equal to number of row of second matrix are equal, then the multiplication of the matrix is possible. Now see here, its number of column is 3 and its number of row is 3. It means both are equal, then the multiplication is possible. And how we will multiply? Its row will multiply its column. The first row to first column, the first 2 2s are 2 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Okay. Then first row, second column. 2 zeros are 0. 2 into 0 plus 0 1s are 0 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1. 1 into minus 1. Then first row, third column. 2 1s are 2 plus 0s are plus 0 into 3. Then 1 into 0 plus 1 into 0. First row, first column, then first row, second column, then first row, third column is this. Then second row, first column, second row, 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 3 into 1. Okay. First, second row, first column, second row, second column, 2 zeros are 0. 2 into 0 plus 1 into 1 plus 3 into minus 1. Then second row, third column, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3s are 1 into 3 plus 3 into 0. 3 into 0. Then third row, first column, 1 2s are 2, 1 into 2. Then second to second, minus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 1. Then third row, second column, 1 zeros are 0, minus 1 1s are minus 1 into 1. Then plus 0 into minus 1. 0 into minus 1 will come. Then again, third row, third column, 1 1s are 1, minus 1 3s are 1 into 3, then plus 0 into 0. This is the multiplication of two matrices. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. The first row will form. Second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column will come second row. Then third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column will come third one. Then solve it. 2 2s are 4 plus 0 plus 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 2 plus 3. 2 1s are 2 minus 2 plus 0. Then like this is 0 0 and it will come minus 1. 0 1 minus 3. This is 0. This will come minus 1 only, and will come 2. And this is 0 and 0 will come only. They have 2 1s are 2 plus 3 1s are 3 will come here. 1 1s are 1 and minus 3 will come. So it will come 4 plus 1 equal to 5, and this is minus 1. This is 2. 4 plus 2 6 plus 3 9 will come. 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2 will come. 2 plus 3 means 5 will come. 2 minus 2 means 0 will come. Minus 1 will come. 1 minus 3 means minus 2 will come. This is also 3 cross 3, and this is known as a square. And we have a square now, and the rest of these things we have to put here. What is a square? And we can put this all values in here. Now see, a square minus 5 plus 6i means a square is this one. 5 minus 1 2, 9 minus 2 5, 0 minus 1 minus 2. This is a square. Minus 5 into a. What is a? A is this 201, 213, 1 minus 1 0, and plus 6 into I. I means this is identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 will come. And by solving these things, I'm rubbing these things now because I need some space over here. See, minus 5, 1 minus 1, this is 2, this is 9 minus 2, 5, 0 minus 1 minus 2. Minus 5 is to be multiplied here, 5 2s are, and we can put these things, and minus also, minus 5 2s are, minus 10, 0, minus 5, 5 2s are minus 10, 5 1s are minus 5, 5 3s are minus 15, 5 1s are 5 is minus, 5 1s are 5 is plus 5, 5 0s are 0, and plus 6 to be multiply here also, 6 0 0 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6 will come, and we can add all of them. Now see, 5 minus 10 minus 5 plus 6 equal to 1 will come. 1 minus 1 0 and 0, it means minus 1 will come. 2 minus 5 equal to minus 3 will come. Then 9 minus 10, minus 1 and 0, only minus 1 will come. Minus 1, then 2 minus 5 minus 7 plus 6, minus 1 will come. And 5 15 minus 10 will come, and 0 minus 5, it means minus 5 will come, minus 1 plus 5 plus 4 will come, minus 2 plus 6 plus 4 will come. I would have to check its answer. 15, question number 15 is this or not? Okay, now come to question number 18. This is a really very important question. Very important question. This question have been asked in the board examination so many times. Now see, a equal to 0 minus 10 alpha by 2, 10 alpha by 2 and 0 is given. And we have to put that I plus a equal to I minus a and cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. This is 2 cross 2. And here I is the identity matrix. I is the identity matrix of order 2 cross 2. And first of all, we will solve these things by left hand side. Left hand side means I plus a. I, what is I? 1 0 0 1 plus a is given 0 minus 10 alpha by 2 and 10 alpha by 2. This is 0. We can add both of them. 1 will come, 0 minus this one minus 10 alpha by 2 will come, 0 will plus this one, then 10 alpha by 1 will come. This is the first equation. And from right hand side, I minus a, I means 1 0 0 1, this one minus a is this 0 minus 10 alpha by 2 and 10 alpha by 2 and 0, this one this is I minus a, and within the bracket cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Okay, now see, first of all we will solve these things. 1 minus this one, 1 minus 1, 1, 0 minus this one means 10 alpha by 2 will come. 0 minus alpha minus 10 alpha by 2. 1 minus 0 means 1 will come. And next bracket cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. This is 2 cross 2, this is also 2 cross 2, and its multiplication is possible. So we have to multiply these things, and after that we have to find, just like question number 1. Just I am multiplying these things. Now see very carefully. Its first row multiplied to its first column. 1 1 ja means cos alpha plus 10 alpha by 2 sin alpha. Then first row second, 1 1 ja minus sin alpha. Then 10 to this one plus 10 alpha by 2 and cos alpha. Then second row first column minus cos alpha 10 alpha by 2, this one to this one, then plus 1 to this one, first row second column, then second row second column, this to this, 10 alpha by 2 sin alpha by 2, 10 alpha by 2 sin alpha by 2, 10 alpha by 2 sin alpha only, not alpha by 2. Okay, then plus 1 to 1 cos alpha. We can check this now. See, cos alpha 10 alpha by 2 sin alpha, and this one both are same, and here this and this are same, but sign is different. Now see, here sin alpha equal to minus, here sin alpha equal to plus. Okay, then I am rubbing these things except this one things. Now see, because I don't have these things to solve this one things. Cos alpha plus 10 alpha by 2. Suppose I will solve this one and this will come same, and how to solve these things for making 1. Now see, just here, this is the rough work. Cos alpha equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1 minus 2 sin square theta, because you know that the half other formula cos alpha equal to 1 minus 2 sin square alpha by 2. Okay, plus 10 alpha by 2 and sin alpha. 10 alpha by 2 can be written sin alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2, and sin alpha means 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. Cos alpha by 2 and cos alpha by 2 is cancelled. 1 minus 2 sin square alpha by 2 plus 2 sin square alpha by 2. Again both cancelled, only 1 is left. So we got this value and this value are same, 1, and here is 1 also. And after that, these two, and one is to be solved. I am solving this one thing only. Now see, minus sin alpha plus 10 alpha by 2 cos alpha, and we have to find here minus 10 alpha. Now see how we will solve this one things. Minus sin alpha can be written 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 plus 10 alpha by 2 is this, and cos alpha can be written 2 cos square theta minus 1, 2 cos square theta minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sin square theta, 1 minus 2 sin square theta, or 1 minus 2 sin square theta can be written. So 2 cos square theta minus 1, 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1 can be written, because cos alpha having the formula 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1 minus 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2, and it will multiply here 2 10 alpha by 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 10 alpha by 2. Now see, this one thinks is minus 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 plus 2 is to tan alpha by 2 can be written sin alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. This thing is cos square alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2. Cos and cos is cancelled. Now see, 2 sin alpha by 2 and 2 cos sin alpha by 2, and this one is also cancelled. What is that? Minus tan alpha by 2. Because these things and these things is same but negative in sign. If it is coming by solving, these things is coming minus tan alpha by 2. It means after this one thing is solving, it will come tan alpha by 2. This is equation number 2 from the right hand side. Now we can match both of them. One is 1 minus tan alpha by tan alpha by this one is this. So left hand side equal to right hand side, which is proved.